Dialogue 5 is between Ejedu and Akwesi. And obviously, Ejedu is an older person. Ejedu says, Abrantie, mahon. Abrantie, mahon. We have Abrantie, which means a young man. So we have Abrantie as a young man. And then we have Ababawa as a young woman. And then we have Abaya or Abayiwa as a girl. So here, Ejedu says, Abrantie, mahon. Young man, good afternoon. So maha is good afternoon. We've already looked at good morning. We said good morning is machi or memawachi. Good afternoon is maha or memawo aha. Memawo aha. So it says maho, and you see the softener here, right? Abrantie maho, young man, good afternoon. Maho, and Akwesi responds to that with Yaeja, because Ejedu is old enough to be Akwesi's father. Oh, by the way, this is supposed to be Edu, right? Edu, not Ado. Ejedu asks, what is saying? What is saying? And this is the standard how are you that we have. So if you are with someone and you want to ask if the person is doing well, how the person is doing, you can use this. What is saying? Literally, you're asking your body is how. In a previous lesson, we said saying is how or how much or how many. So when you ask what is saying, you're asking your body is how. How is your body? How are you? And to that, Akwesi responds with mepachel mehoye. We have mepachel as please. And this is the standard response to what is saying. Okay, so if someone asks what is saying, the standard response is mehoye, right? Mehoye, I am well. My body is well. Oh, I missed the name here. It's Ejedu. This is Ejedu. So I messed these ones up. So Ejedu comes in and says, Mepachao eha yetafo. Mepachao eha yetafo. So you have mepachao as please. Eha is here. We have eha as here. And then we have eho as there. So eha ye, here is tafo, literally. So eha ye tafo. So let's say you find yourself somewhere and you're not sure where you are and you want to ask if you are the right place. You can ask, oh, eha ye tafo, eha ye bantma. So you use that to ask where you are at the moment. And then Akwesi responds to that with mepachao ane, yes please. Eha ye tafo. So here is Tafo, literally. This is Tafo. By the way, Tafo is a town in Kumasi. Oh, there's another town in the eastern region called Tafo, but I am referring to the Ashanti region one. So Ejedu says, you, medase pi. So we have medase as thank you, right? Thanks. You have pi, which is a lot. So when you say medase pi, you're saying thanks a lot. Instead of pi, you could also use pa. So medase pa, and that would be thanks very much. You have pa as very, right? Very much.